The two most central things in my life is art and surfing. They come from the same place in the mind, I think. I was thinking about ways to make my photography more interesting and unique. So I started just with a simple DSLR. It enables a creativity because you don't have to worry too much about the technical aspects of it. I have just always had very simple equipment. Since I was coming from illustration and art, I thought it would be cool to mix them. So I started printing out the pictures that I was taking and then painting on top of them. Without being a professional photographer with the most expensive gear, it still allowed me to make something that was cool. And I think that creates something that's a little bit more unique and unpredictable. I'm looking for high quality. I don't want to feel limited. The camera is so good with the low light. I think it's just creatively more fun. Living my life the way that I wish it to be is my biggest inspiration, I think, yeah.